Buyer beware? Oh my gosh, what does that even mean? If you're starting to think about looking for a house, think about going to some open houses, what are you even supposed to be looking for? I have a lot of folks come to me and we go on our first home tour and they'll turn and say, what am I supposed to be looking at? And it depends. First of all, you want to be looking at the neighborhood, the location. Do you feel comfortable? Does it feel like somewhere you'd like to live? Because more than anything, we don't live inside of our homes, right? We have a commute. We want to maybe have a yard for our dog or children or cats. And the outside is important. So look at the outside. Look at your list of things that you want to have and think, can I see myself having parties in this kitchen, in this dining room, in this backyard? The more practical, everyday, day-to-day things that you want to make note of are check the roof. Does it look old? Are there broken shingles, missing shingles? When you go inside, are you seeing water stains in the ceiling, on the walls that could indicate water damage from plumbing or roof issues? Have those been remedied? A lot of times, if I had a nickel for every person that's ever had a leak and then they fixed the leak but didn't repaint, a lot of people, I'd have a lot of nickels. So that kind of thing, the care and maintenance issues, look around, and if you're seeing nothing but projects, think about how willing you are to do those projects. How much money do you have to do those projects? Because even paint, which is a simple, pretty easy, most people can do it. It might take longer, look better, all that stuff. It's still costly to buy the paint, to buy all the materials, to buy the brushes and the rollers and all that stuff. So if you can live with some of those projects, that's fantastic. But if you can't, that may not be the house for you. And try to calibrate those things with your wish list. So the big things that I really look for when looking at a house: the roof, have there been any water leaks? Are there any big vertical cracks in the walls or the brickwork outside? How old is the HVAC? Because that can be very costly to repair or replace. And the electrical system. If it's an older home and all the outlets look older, maybe that's something that you want to have your home inspector take an extra look at, because that also can be kind of costly to repair, replace, upgrade, whatever it needs. So look at those big ticket items. They're not usually the flash and sparkle sort of things like the gorgeous new kitchen or the fantastic bathroom, but those are the things that are going to cost you money potentially. And a lot of the cosmetic stuff you might be able to live with for a little longer down the road than some of those big major issues. If you are ready to get started on looking, you've been looking online and now you're like, I'm ready to buy a house, let's go, give me a call, send me an email, send me a message. I'd love to talk to you and see how we can calibrate that wish list with the reality list and make your home purchase a reality.